The Przysmak Świętokrzyski is an iconic Polish snack that used to take the place of chips some 25 years ago. It's the taste of childhood that has stood the test of time and is still loved to this day. Made from a simple wheat flour base, this humble snack puffs up beautifully and becomes irresistibly crispy when deep fried. It's also known by names like Kratka or okienka, which literally mean grid or little windows. Once fried, you can season them however your heart desires. Go savory with a sprinkle of salt, or sweet with powdered sugar or a spice mix of your choice. Pro tip, they taste absolutely divine when paired with homemade salted caramel. The preparation couldn't be easier. Simply toss a few pieces into hot oil and fry until they puff up. Just make sure to take them out right before they start to turn golden. They'll develop that perfect blush on their own once transferred to a bowl. And that's it. Your nostalgic snack is ready to enjoy. Tell me in the comments, what snacks do or did you have that take the place of chips or popcorn in your home? That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.